What I enjoy most, I'm gonna be honest, I'm about to say getting paid. You know, that's the main reason I'm working, to take care of my family. I think that's about it, getting paid. My name is Spencer Billingsley. I've been with the company now 6 years, and my job title is lead person. When I got the lead person position, that was a proud moment for me. When I first came, I started working in repair. And I did repair for about 1.5 years, and then my oldest son got the way he started playing sports and playing ball. So I wanted to be able to also support him and still take care of my family. So that's when I moved to custom frames, so I could kind of get off in time enough to go support him and still maintain keeping my family together. We come in around 5 o'clock. Around 5:30, 6 o'clock, we get paperwork to give to everybody that works with us. And then when we go through that, we try to make sure, see who all's here, who's not here. When someone's out, I have to take their position and hold their spot down. That's what a typical day involves with me. What I enjoy most is working with the people I work with. I have some good people that we all get along. You know, we cut up every now and then, but we try to keep the workplace fun. It's a good place, good working place. If you can just keep a upbeat attitude, you'll be fine. I feel like the most important thing I do is try to keep everybody motivated. Because now it's got hot, everybody working in heat, some people get frustrated. So as a lead person, I feel like it's my job to keep everybody motivated, keep everybody up. My supervisor, O'Neil Wilson, great supervisor, I can't ask for no better. Anytime I need anything or anything that's going on personal, I can go to him, and I'm glad to be an employee of Wellborn Cabinets.